The 2023 Audi A7 Sportback 55 TFSIe is a compelling blend of performance, luxury, and sustainability. This plug-in hybrid variant of the A7 Sportback series offers a unique combination of a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and an electric motor, delivering a total output of 362 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. The powertrain is mated to a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission, ensuring a smooth and responsive driving experience. With its 14.1 kilowatt-hour battery, the car offers an all-electric range of approximately 25 miles, making it ideal for short commutes while still providing the flexibility for longer journeys. When it comes to exterior design, the Audi A7 Sportback doesn't disappoint. The car maintains the sleek, coupe-like silhouette that the A7 series is known for, complete with a sloping roofline that gracefully merges into a liftback rear. The LED headlights and taillights not only provide excellent illumination, but also add a touch of sophistication to the car's overall appearance. The optional 21-inch wheels further enhance its sporty stance, making it a head-turner on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that exudes luxury and technological sophistication. The interior is adorned with high-quality materials such as leather upholstery and soft-touch plastics, complemented by brushed aluminum or optional wood trim. The seats are both comfortable and supportive, offering multiple adjustment options to suit various body types. The rear seats provide ample legroom, making it a practical choice for families or those who frequently travel with passengers. The infotainment system in the A7 Sportback is nothing short of impressive. It features Audi's MMI touch response system, which consists of two high-resolution touchscreens. The upper 10.1-inch screen is used for navigation and media, while the lower 8.6-inch screen is dedicated to climate controls and other vehicle settings. The system is intuitive to use and comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. Standard safety features include lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. Optional packages add more advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, providing an extra layer of security for both the driver and passengers. The hardware components of the A7 Sportback 55 TFSIe are meticulously engineered to offer a balanced driving experience. The car comes standard with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, providing excellent traction and stability in various driving conditions. The adaptive air suspension ensures a comfortable ride while also allowing the driver to adjust the car's dynamics according to their preference, be it comfort or sporty performance. One of the standout features of this model is its plug-in hybrid capability, which offers multiple driving modes, including EV, hybrid, and hold modes. In EV mode, the car runs solely on electric power, ideal for short commutes and city driving. Hybrid mode utilizes both the engine and electric motor for optimal efficiency, while hold mode conserves the battery charge for later use. This flexibility allows drivers to maximize fuel efficiency and minimize emissions, making it a responsible choice for the environmentally conscious. However, it's worth noting that the added weight of the hybrid system does have some impact on the car's agility. While it's still a sporty and engaging drive, purists may find it slightly less dynamic compared to the non-hybrid variants. The trunk space is also slightly compromised due to the placement of the battery, but it's a small trade-off considering the benefits of the hybrid system. The 2023 Audi A7 Sportback 55 TFSIe is a well-rounded vehicle that successfully combines luxury, performance, and sustainability. Its plug-in hybrid system offers the best of both worlds, allowing for emission-free driving without compromising on range or performance. With its elegant design, high-quality interior, and a plethora of features, it stands as a strong contender in the luxury plug-in hybrid market. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.